there are a mistake. Well, that's okay. Uh, the fear and the af- afterlife and the awareness of this. Hi, how are you? Today I want to practice talking about a personal topic, the fear of the afterlife, and the awareness of this. Since I was a child, I've been afraid or thinking about what happens after we die. I don't know if there is something or if there is nothing at all, and that scares me. Sometimes I think about it when I'm alone, especially at night. It's like a shadow uh, that keeps coming back to my mind. But over time, I understood something. Uh, I can't live with that fear all the time. We're all going to die. Somebody uh, someday, uh, and that's why I want to make the most of the time I have now. This channel is called Learning, not teaching, because I'm not a teacher. I'm just a learner. I'm practical English while talking about things that matter to me. And this topic, this what's behind the fear of the unknown is something that matters to me, even if it scares me. Actually, I have another channel where I talk more deeply about these topics. It's called blah blah blah. Uh, but here, my goal is to practice English and share my thoughts, even if uh, I make mistakes, even if my pronunciation isn't perfect. I want to express myself and get better because talking about fear is also a way to face it, and practicing English with topics that touch my heart helps me move uh, forward. Thanks for listening. And if you ever felt this fear too, tell me. You're not alone, and we are we are all learning here.